This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn about control structures. So first we will learn the introduction. Control structures control the flow of execution of a program. There are three types of control structures in BASIC. So whenever we type BASIC in capital, it means that we are talking about the basic language. These are sequence, selection, and loop. All programs use some of these control structures to implement the program logic. So far we have been using only the sequence structure. In sequence structure, instructions are executed according to the increasing order of their line numbers. So the instructions at smaller line numbers are always executed first, then instructions at greater line numbers for example, the following program demonstrates the sequence structure. So we will open the IDE of basic program and we'll type a program to understand and clear the concept of control structure, to learn the sequence structure. So here we are, viewers. Now we're going to type a program to understand the sequence structure. Line number 10 we'll type RAM to give the remark, and like type this program does not transfer control to any statement. And line number 20 we'll type RAM conditionally or unconditionally. The statements are executed. So we have been just typing from line number 10 to line number 30 all the remark. So they are not executable statement. They are not executed and just ignored by the compiler. In the same sequence in which they are written or you can call typed. In line number 40 we'll type r equal to 10.5. R stands for radius. In line number 50 we'll type area equal to 3.14 into r and into r. So it's a pi r square formula which is used to calculate the area of circle. So we have already studied and learned very well that whenever there's an assignment operator like an equal to sign, it is working like as an assignment operator. So at the right side of this equal to sign, you can see a formula for calculating the area of circle, which is pi. The value of pi is 3.14 into r. So the value of r is 10.5, already defined over here. So there are basically two assignment operators are defined in this program, are used in this program, and always the right hand side value is always stored to the left hand side. So at the right hand side you can find any expression, any constant or any value which can be stored to the left hand side variable. So here in this program there are two variables are used. First one is named with the letter r, used for calculating the radius of the circle, and the second one at the left hand side you can see the variable area, which is used to calculate the area of the circle, which contains the whole formula. Here the 10.5 real constant will be stored to the radius variable, which is a real variable, and here in this you can see that pi r square will be stored to the whole formula will be stored to the variable area. At line number 60 we will type print area of the circle is, so we will always be using semicolon after the quote, so that there is only one space right after the double quotes can be seen on the outer screen. So we'll type area, which contains the formula pi r square. Line number 70 we will type e and n. So here's the end of the program. So now we'll press the F4 key to save the program. We'll type AOC, which means the area of circle. A stands for area, O means off, and C for circle. And we'll give the extension BAS, because we are typing in basic program. Now we'll load this program. We'll press the F3 key and type AOC again. And now we'll press the F2 key to run this program. And now the area of circle is 346.185, which is the calculate. You can always put the value of 10.5 and multiply it again with 10.5 and then multiply it with 3.5. So finally you will get the answer 3461.85, which is the area of circle calculated in this program. So you can see this program does not transfer control to any statement, conditional statements are executed in the sequence in which they are typed. So we have typed the actual program starts from the line number 40 and end at the line number 70. So in line number 40 the value 10.5 is stored to the variable r used for radius. At line number 50 the whole formula calculation of calculating area of circle is stored in the variable area. At line number 60 print statement is used to show the output on the screen by stating the message area of circle is and the value of area, which is calculated by this formula. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video.